Hi guys! Good morning! So today is May 30. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday takaroon din, no? Yes, and I just uploaded my Simple Life vlog too. Go ahead and watch it. Thank you. Grabe si Trixie. Alam mo si Trixie, kasamahan ko siya dati sa Welcome Hotel Cebu. She's the sales coordinator or sales coordinator or sales supervisor, I think now. So if you'd like to check Welcome Hotel Cebu, just look for Trixie, and I'll have her number down below, or anyway, you could just go to their website. I'll just ask her na lang para if you're from Manila, or if you'd like to relax, to unwind, or if you have events and parties, you can go ahead and check the Trix. Go ahead and look for Trixie at Welcome Hotel Cebu. Ayun, sobrang natawa talaga ako nung nire-review ko yung video namin kahapon. Laugh trip. So ngayon, walang ganap, wala akong lakad. So again, maglilinis. Doon na naman sa labas, magwawalis. Ayun, hapdi ng eyelids ko, ewan ko kung bakit. So, I'll talk to you later. Bye, besties! Hello! Kakatapos ko lang maglinis dito sa aming bakuran. Tapos nagpahinga ako saglit kasi nag-reply ng mga comments. And thank you April, Trixie, Best Rada, I love you. Thank you because nagustuhan niyo yung video. My second video. And to my aunties, hi Ma, if you're watching, I know you'll be watching this clip, and thank you so much for always watching my videos. Thank you. So walang ganap guys, nandito lang ako sa bahay. I think people will pussy. So thank you, see you guys later. Pagoda. Hi guys, our lunch for today, pinapsilo na isda, and this is chili powder. Pamilig ako sa mga kain tayo. Let's eat. Hello. Kakatapos ko lang mag-freshen up kasi gagawa tayo ng haul video. So it will be my first time to do a haul video. So wish me luck guys. So I'll film later para ma-upload ko siya the next day hopefully. Okay? See you guys later. Bye! Hi guys! So kakatapos ko lang mag-film ng mini haul video. Dali lang. Hindi siguro aabot ng 5 minutes or 6 or 10. So, ito lang. Fresh-freshan. Lip tint lang. No foundation din na. Rest. Ito lang sa bahay. So, ayan. Natapos nito. Matutulog na. Rest. Rest. Kaya ako naglalaro. Ayan. Hello guys! Kakagising ko lang. Tapos, ito yung bumungad sa Russian. Ibebenta ko. Dumating na siya. So, ito pa. 4. Ayan again. Wala talagang ganap guys. So, we're having coffee. Kami ni ate. Tapos, ito yung bread and ito lang. Tapos, trinay ko yung micellar water. So refreshing. Ayan lang. Ito lang ganyan. Coffee lang. So, preparing for dinner. Pinapalambot ko yung isda. We call it matambaka. Ewan ko sa Manila. Ano Tagalog nito. Tapos, nagsasaing. Saing. Yun lang. Saing na ako tapos. Ito. Stop. Ayan na guys, luto na yung pinakamahirap kong recipe. Prito. Kain tayo. Hi guys! So kakatapos na namin kumain, super busog. So guys, i-end ko na lang yung vlog for today because wala talagang ganap. Nandito lang kami sa bahay ni ate sa ating Bukigas. So ayun, I hope na kahit ganito yung vlog natin, na-entertain ko kayo and sana ayun, nasayahan kayo. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just please click the subscribe button, and if you'd like to get notified, just also hit the or click the bell button for you to be able to notified once I uploaded a new video. And that's all for today. Today is March. Today is May 30. Yeah, 30. So, ayun, be your own kind of beautiful. Daghang salamat. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.